Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will going to discuss some problems based on this interaction energies of LS coupling. Okay. In an last lecture for interaction energies in an LS coupling, we have to study some formulae. Okay. Now we have to calculate tau 1, tau 2 and tau 3 plus tau 4. By using this formulae, we have to solve some problems. Okay, I have to write here first problem for we have to given PD configuration. For an PD configuration, we have to calculate the value of tau 1, tau 2 and tau 3 plus tau 4. Okay. Now in an PD configuration, for an p electron we have to calculate first the singlet and triplets terms. Okay, that are we have to already discussed in last chapter how we will calculate the atomic state for a singlet or triplet states. Now we have to given this configuration. Okay, we have to given this p electron first. For p electron, L1 is what? L1 is equal to 1 and S1 is equal to 1, and for D electron L2 is equal to 2 and S2 is equal to S1 is equal to 1 half and S2 is equal to also 1 half. Therefore the value of L is from L1 minus L2 to L1 plus L2. Therefore L is equal to 2 minus 1 1 and 2 plus 1 3. Therefore the value of L is equal to 1 2 and 3. Okay. Now the value of S is equal to S1 minus S2 to S1 plus S2 is equal to 1 half plus 1 half 1 and 1 half minus 1 half is 0 and 1. Okay. Therefore there are 3 L value and 2 S value. Okay. Now we have to calculate first for a singlet n. We have to given the value of S is equal to 0. Then the equation of tau 1 is 1 half A1 into S star square minus S1 star square minus S2 star square. Okay, and we have to given this S is 0, S1 star is 1 half and S2 star is also 1 half. S is equal to 0, S1 star is 1 half and S2 star is also 1 half. Therefore tau 1 is equal to A1 by 2 into 0 minus S1 star. How we will calculate? S1 star is equal to square root of S1 into S1 plus 1 is equal to square root of 1 half into 1 half plus 1, 3 by 2 and 3 by 4, means S1 star is root 3 by 4 square. Therefore and minus S2 star is also root 3 by 4 square. Okay. Therefore the value of 3 by 4 square minus root 3 by 4 square, we will get the value of A1 by 2 into minus root 3 by 4 square minus root 3 by 4 square is minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is minus 6 by 4 minus 6 by 4. Therefore tau 1 is equal to 2 multiplies 3 and 2 2 is 4. Therefore minus 3 A1 divided by 4. Okay. Similarly for S is equal to 1, A1 by 2 into 1 into 1 plus 1, square root of 1 into 1 plus 1, there is root 2 square minus root 3 by 4 square minus root 3 by 4 square is equal to a1 by 2 into 2 minus this will be the 3 by 2 is equal to a1 by 4. So 1 for s is equal to 1 is a1 by 4. Okay, now this is the first splitting for the s is equal to 0 and s is equal to 1. Now we have to calculate tau 2. Tau 2 is equal to 1 half a2 into l star square minus l1 star square minus l2 star square. Tau 2 is equal to 1 half a2 into l star square minus l1 star square minus l2 star square. Okay, now here we have to 3l value. Okay, l is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now first we have to calculate the singlet and triplet terms. L is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Now L is equal to 1, 2 and 3 represents the P, D and F state respectively. Okay, L is equal to 1 represents the P state, L is equal to 2 represents the D state and L is equal to 3 represents the F state. Now for L is equal to 1 and S is equal to 1, L is equal to 1, S is equal to 1, then there are 3 j values. J is equal to for L minus S to L plus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, therefore this state is 3P, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, S is equal to 1, therefore multiplicity is 3. Then L is equal to 2, S is equal to 1, then J is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 3D, 1, 2, 3 and L is equal to 3, S is equal to 1. Again there are 3 terms, J is equal to 2, 3 and 4, 3 minus 1 and 3 plus 1. This state are the 3, F, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, means there are 9 triplet states. Okay, for an PD configuration that we already discussed in last problem. Okay, now we have to calculate this tau 2 for L is equal to 1. Okay, first for L is equal to 1, then tau 2 is equal to 1 half a2 into this L star square. Okay, L star is L is 1, square root of 1 into 1 plus 1 is root 2 square minus L1 star is what? L1 star is 1 and L2 star is 2. Therefore, root 2 square and 2 into 2 plus 1 root 6 square is equal to 1 upon 2 a2 into root 2 get cancelled minus 6 square. This will be the minus 6 is equal to minus 3 a2. Okay, then second for L is equal to 2. Okay, tau 2 is equal to 1 half a2 into L is equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus 1 root 6 square minus L1 is root 2 square minus root 6 square is equal to 1 half a2 into 6 get cancelled here, therefore minus 2 is equal to minus a2. And third one is the for L is equal to 3 and L1 is 1 and L2 is 2, therefore tau 2 is equal to 1 half a2 into 3 into 3 plus 1 root 12 square minus root 2 square minus root 6 square is equal to 1 half a2 into 12 minus 2 minus 6 is equal to 12 minus 8 4 4 upon 2 2a2 2 is equal to 2a2 means the values of 2 are first one is minus 3a2 minus a2 and twice a2 for a first three triplet states. Okay, for 3p 0 1 and 2. Okay, now we have to calculate the value of tau 3 plus tau 4. Tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to 1 half a into j star square minus l star square minus s star square. Okay, now j star square means what? Tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to 1 half a into j plus 1 minus l into l plus 1 minus this s into s plus 1. Okay, now we have to calculate the value of tau 3 plus tau 4 for this 9 triplet state. Okay, for 3p 0 1 2 3d 1 2 3 and 3f 2 3 4. Okay, I have to calculate 1, then remaining 2 you will calculate in homework. Okay, tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to 1 half a. Now for the first state is 3p0. Okay, for the 3p0 the value of l is equal to 1, s is equal to 1 and j is equal to 0. Okay, therefore tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to 1 half a into j is 0 into 0 plus 1 minus l plus 1 minus l into l plus 1 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 half a into 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2a. Okay, for 3p one term l is equal to 1, s is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. Therefore tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to 1 half a into 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. Okay, cancelled here, this will be minus 2, minus 2 to get cancelled here, therefore this is the minus a. Okay, and 3p2 state l is equal to 1, s is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. Therefore tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to 1 half a into 2 into 2 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 half a into 2 plus 1 6 minus 2 minus 2 is equal to 2, 6 minus 4 2, this 2 get cancelled here, therefore this will be the tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to a. Okay, means for this tau 3 plus tau 4 for this 3p0 3p1 and 3p2 state there are minus 2a minus a and this plus a. Okay, similarly we have to get homework here, we have to calculate the value of tau 3 plus tau 4. Calculate the value of tau 3 plus tau 4 for these two state 3D 1 2 3 and 3F 2 3 4. First 3D 1 2 3 and second 3F 2 3 and 4. This will be the homework. Okay. Now we have to draw the structure for this PD configuration. There are 3 singlet state and 1 triplet state. Okay. Now we have to see in the diagram for an fine structure splitting separations of an PD configuration in an LS coupling. Okay. In an LS coupling we have 3 singlets term and 9 triplets terms. Okay, and we have to calculate tau 1 for singlets term, that will be minus 3 a1 by 4, and triplets terms for this a1 by 4. Okay, now we have to draw this structure for this PD configuration. For this PD configuration there are 3 for S is equal to 0, the 3 a1 by 4. For S is equal to 1, this term will be the a1 by 4. Okay, this is the 3 a1 by 4 and this will be the a1 by 4. Now for this 3 a1 by 4, these are the singlets term for S is equal to 0, and this will be the triplets term for a1 by 4. Now for this 3 a1 by 4 we will get the value of for this singlet term we will get the value of for 1p1, 1d2 and 1f3 minus 3a2 minus a2 and 2a2. Okay, now we have to draw this structure like this. This is the 2a2, this will be 0, this is minus a2 and this is minus 3a2 for 1p1, 1d2 and 1f3. Okay, this is for the singlet term. Then now for the triplet term. Okay, tau 3 plus tau 4, the value of for this first term 3p012, the value is minus 2a, minus a and a. Minus 2a, minus a and plus a. Okay, for 3p0, 3p1 and 3p2. Okay, and their constant is minus 3a2. Okay, similarly we have to calculate tau 3 plus tau 4 for this another 3 triplet state for 3D 1 2 3 and 3F 2 3 4. Then you have to draw from like this. Okay, what is the value of your tau 3 plus tau 4? Then you will draw this structure like this. Okay, in this way. Hope you will understand this problem, how we will draw this configuration by using by using LS coupling, we have to calculate tau 1, tau 2 and tau 3 plus tau 4. Okay, thank you so much.